Hello, everybody. I guess it's time. Welcome to my short presentation about how Cloud Foundry evolved to be the main target platform for software in Swisscom. My name is Toni, and I'm a DevOps engineer in the Cloud Empowerment team. To the history of our so-called internal application cloud. It started roughly 5 years ago as a lab project with 2 lighthouse customers. Initially, there was no governance. People could just use it. There was mouth-to-mouth marketing. And we didn't, and we still don't charge for the usage of the platform. So for internal projects, it's completely free, which makes it easier. But there is full cost transparency. So people know how much it would cost if they were external customers. It evolved to be the main target platform in our workload placement strategy. So if new software is created at Swisscom or legacy projects are migrated, you have to consider the application cloud first. So you have the option of going to platform as a service with Cloud Foundry or lower layers of the cloud with VMs. And it has become very mission critical, as you will see now. So it's a true success story. We have 1,200 orgs. It's by far our largest Cloud Foundry installation. There are 9,600 applications, 35,000 containers, loads of routes, 3,800 service instances, and we have 3,600 registered developers on the platform. So when you look at the graph, like the growth has been fabulous. What have we done to remove obstacles for developers to use the platform? What we've done is we've built the whole thing is self-service. So developers don't have to open tickets. They don't have to talk to anybody. They click on a web interface, order their organization. A huge part which makes it easier for developers is how do they connect to their legacy Oracle databases, backend systems, and so on. In our developer console, you have that self-service too. You basically enter an IP and a port, and everything in the backend magically gets done for you. It might take 1 or 2 days because there are network engineers involved too, but it's completely transparent for the developer. You get self-service SSL certificates, technical users out of the box, and the whole billing with costs and detailed reporting. It's really important to me to emphasize how important this is in comparison to just using the open source Cloud Foundry as is, because in an enterprise, it's quite hard to do those things manually. What else? Developers don't know Cloud Foundry by default. That's why we created my team, which is called the Cloud Empowerment team. We give the developers personalized support. We have an internal Stack Overflow-like system where you can ask questions and get answers to them. We organize regular meetups, hackathons, development sessions. We have regular newsletters. People can suggest new features to our services or to the platform. And a very important thing which you see on the right side is we emphasize the importance of the community. So it's hard for a couple of people on our team to consult thousands of developers in the company. So we try to include our developers to help each other. We have developers of Swisscom in here which kind of take the burden to help each other, and it's been really exciting. So when we see that people help each other, and it gives us a sense of community, and people love it. It's a great thing. Our developers love our Cloud Foundry installation, but they have expectations too. Even like if they don't pay anything for them. They compare our solutions to the largest public clouds, and sometimes it's hard. We basically just can't offer everything they want, which is why we are adding PKS to our cloud solution offering to support legacy workloads like stateful apps, services that we don't offer yet, like stateful databases, Neo4j, Postgres, Docker images from third parties, and so on. So with that, people will have they can play puzzle and just pick the parts they need to assemble their applications. Thank you.